My name is Stinky Mike. You can call me Michael Jenkinson. Um, I'm from Arkansas. It's there's a little boring old town in Arkansas. I'm pretty experienced. I would say, scale of 1 to 10, probably a humble 8. You know, I'm no Jim Gordon, but you'd be hard pressed to find a meal that I make that isn't absolutely delicious. Like this burrito.
Have you ever made a burrito before?
I've seen someone make a burrito before. I was watching, you know the hamburger they teach you in English class where you have the buns, you have, you know, the tomato and the lettuce and the meat. The meat section of that burger, that's where your meat is in the burrito as well. So you're gonna start there, some lettuce and tomato in there. And in this one I added a little spice. We have some guacamole, some red onions, and and some bell peppers. So actually, this is really interesting. In the early 1400s, there were a lot of Catholic kings and whatnot, and a lot of churches around. And people went out into this forest, going out to be a little sinful. This couple found this weird-looking pepper. They said it looked like the church bells, and so they started calling it a bell pepper. That's where bell peppers came from, is the early 1400s, actually. So very cool fact about your bell pepper. You know, a burrito is like, it's a way to send someone a warm hug, right? Like the warm tortilla hugging all the ingredients and keeping the community together. That's what a burrito is. It's meant to give them that warm hug. And we can really learn from that. We can really learn from what a burrito has to offer. No, I changed my answer. I think a burrito is, it's like